that we grown now, baby. You can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Saniya J, and if you're new, hey girl, hey, and if you're not, welcome back. And today we have a Gel X tutorial. So if you don't know how to do Gel X nails and you always wanted to do Gel X nails, this is very beginner friendly, and this is the video for you. So for the first step, you want to size your nail tips. You want to make sure that they touch both sides of your sidewalls of your nails, because if you don't, that can cause lifting, and we don't want lifting.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, gave me so bad. Tore with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. Cause the remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to let love set you free to flap your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, let love set you free to flap your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings. I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life, baby. Believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shoved you. Better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you let love song go through.
So your next step is to apply your nail dehydrator. The purpose of the nail dehydrator is to make sure your nails are free of oils, they don't have any debris or any other residue on your nails, so that way that your nails can stay and last longer, okay? This is my favorite step. Here we put 2 coats. Step 3 is to apply your nail primer. This is to protect your nails, the layers of your nails.
VIP.
Step 4 is to apply 1 layer of nail glue and then cure it for 30 seconds. Now, I will be honest, this is just based off your preference. I would prefer to do this step because it allows for a better hold. It allows for your nails to, stay on longer. But if you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but I would recommend it. If you're someone that doesn't want to apply the extra layer of glue, you would just skip right to step 6, which is just applying the nail glue to the nail tip and applying that nail tip to your fingernail. So like I just mentioned, step 6 is to apply the nail glue to your nail tip, and you're going to flash cure it. So you want to cure it so that way like the glue underneath your nail is secure, and then after that you're going to do that to every single fingernail.
VIP.
Once you have completed step 5 and 6, step 7 is to cure your nails underneath your UV lamp. Now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and design your nails however you would like. I will say though, most people do add acetone around their cuticle area to blend their nails, but I just prefer not to do that. I have done it before, I just don't like it. But if you would like to try it, go ahead. Like, be my guest, it's your preference. And yeah, just make sure that after every coat that you do, you cure your nails, right? And then once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and add your top coat.